So you're flying out of Cebu City internationally and you're looking for a lounge to come to. Well, we are actually at the Plaza Premium Lounge in Mactan Airport and it is absolutely stunning. So let's see what they have.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, we really appreciate you getting up at 3 a.m. Thank you, bye.
Have a nice trip.
Thank you and have a good night.
Good morning, guys. It is officially like 2:30 in the morning and Daniel overestimated the amount of time that we needed to get here. So we're at the airport like 30 minutes early. I could have still been sleeping. But anyways, off the 2.5 hours of sleep, today's video might be a little delusional.
You can say that twice. On the bright side, there is no bright side. Okay, that was the bright side. So we've arrived to Mactan Airport, which is right near Cebu City. Typically, the last time that we came out and into here, we were driving to Liloan during the daytime. We didn't account for the traffic and it being non-existent at 3 o'clock in the morning. So well, we're here a little early. On the bright side, also, I've been saying the bright side a lot. On the normal side of things, I guess, the airport here is really pretty. It has like these beautiful stained glass windows that are really colorful. It's exactly how the Filipino people are. I am so sad to be leaving the Philippines. We had made a whole bunch of friends at the hotel that we were staying in Liloan, and we would do karaoke with them, y'all, every single night. I have never sung so much in my life. But we would go and hang out with them, and they were crying yesterday, which obviously made me cry. And they like gave us treats all the days, and they helped us celebrate our anniversary. And anyway, we're gonna put a picture of them right here because I love them and they're sweet, and I wanna never forget them. But to the airport. Here we go. Cebu to Taipei, Fortner net. Oh, Daniel Fortner.
Thank you.
I've never been to an airport so empty before.
Would it technically be Mayo Gabi? No?
Today, it's already Mayong Buntag.
Ah, okay, perfect. Did I say that wrong? I'm so sorry.
It's okay, Mom. Kumusta?
Kumusta?
Yes.
Taipei.
Taiwan.
Taiwan?
Yeah.
Cebu Pacific?
Yes. Am I in the wrong place?
Yes, Mom.
Oh no.
Because our flight is Hong Kong and Narita. So not yet open, Mom.
That's okay. That's totally fine.
Side.
I was
that
just like,
side?
please
Okay.
tell me it's this airport.
Alright, so we went to the wrong counter. They saw that we were going to Taipei and they were like, this only goes to Hong Kong and Narita. And we were just like, are we in the right place? And they're like, yeah, it's just the lane behind us.
But they're not open yet because we came way too early.
Way too early. Alright, I guess see ya whenever the lane opens.
Check-in counter's open. I'm a little bit more awake than I was. We read reviews about the lounge online and it's apparently supposed to have really good food, so I'm pumped. And now it's time to check in.
And what's your status in Taipei?
Just travelers.
Yeah.
Just tourist?
Yeah.
How many days are you gonna stay in Taipei?
3 days.
3 days. After Taipei,
We're going to Thailand.
You're going to Thailand. You have
Yeah.
your onward ticket going
Yeah.
Am I have it?
Oh yeah.
So apparently going to Taipei, you have to have like an outward going flight. We had no idea. We just accidentally did it. We were
By
like,
luck, we never planned that far ahead, except we did this time going to Thailand. We just finished doing tons of vlogs here in the Philippines. We loved it. Sorry if I'm distracting you.
That's okay. Filipino peoples are very hospitable.
yeah,
Yeah.
very much so.
I was telling Daniel they remind me a lot of my culture. My family's Cuban.
Ah.
And the same food also.
Same food.
Lechon,
Yeah.
flan, very similar. I love Filipino people. They just like, we're trying to check in, they're asking us questions, we're clearly excited. No thank you. Clearly excited because we've loved our time in the Philippines. They took a picture with us. They were so lovely. I'm really happy. Well, anyway, now we're making it to security, so we're gonna have to stop this again. We've made it through airport security. We didn't get stopped for any of our stuff, which is amazing. And now we're gonna go and find our lounge, which they said is opposite of gate 20.
Yes,
And that's gate 20.
Ooh, gate 20 is this way. I'm so starving.
I
And
am
apparently,
so hungry.
yeah, and apparently they have like a really good bar section. And I mean, it's 3 a.m. so why not?
He could rock it. As a matter of fact, guys, funny story. We're in line for security, and he's like, I think I'm gonna have a drinking competition with myself. I'm like, you win, baby, you win.
It caught her so off guard. It was great.
I laughed so loud in this line, and it's like 3 o'clock in the morning, so these people are sleeping. Sorry, we're like looking for the lounge.
I actually don't know where it is.
Hello, Plaza Premium Lounge.
Oh.
Sometimes we need to read things. So we passed by one of the duty-free shops, and they had my old perfume, and I haven't had like a solid quality perfume in the better part of 2 years, so I bathed in it.
I miss that smell, if you know what I mean.
Oh my god. Bougie, 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 bougie. Bougie. My iPhone bag. ¿Cómo está? Good.
For 2%?
Yes.
And a bar to boarding pass, please.
Yes.
Thursday.
Thank you. So we've got some newspapers, some showers, a playroom. How neat is this? This is great for families that are traveling. And this is the Plaza Premium Lounge in the Cebu Airport. That's awesome. Food. Okay, we're gonna find a place to get settled in and put all of our stuff, and then we're gonna come and eat all of it. And juices. Here's your competition.
My competition.
We have this place to ourselves. Oh, yes. And so they have lots of seating options. You can sit in regular boring chairs. You can sit in chairs that face the terminal, and you can put your feet up. And they have like little pods with a desk, a reading light, and an outlet built into them. Boomin' lounge so far. Alright, so running you through the options. We have soy sauce, congee, things that are coming soon, but it says stir-fried noodles, buttered vegetables, and pork adobo. I'm excited for that. We have chicken sausage that looks like it's wrapped in a wonton and then served with Thai sweet chili sauce. Rice. Some vegetables, some pineapples, which the pineapples here in the Philippines, guys, are delicious. A press for your bread. I'm gonna use that. A toaster, some actual bread, some more bread, some cookies, banana chips and chocolate chip cookies, and then 2 cereals. I'm about it. I wanna wait for that pork adobo.
They have this delicious sausage called longanisa, and I think that's what he's making. Ooh, it's like a little pork sausage that's like sweet on the outside, and you bite into it and it's just like the most juicy flavor.
The Philippines knows how to do food. Speaking of, salamat. We're gonna grab our food and then we'll meet you back at the comfy chair so that we can tell you how everything tastes.
Alrighty.
I can't tell you how excited I am to eat.
Right?
So I do want to let you guys know, because we did come super early to this lounge and it's open 24 hours, but not all of the food that I guess would be available during the daytime was available now. For example, the pork adobo, I saw it in the oven actively cooking, and it still looks like he was actively cooking things like the chicken sausage and the longanisa that came out while we were grabbing our food.
Yeah, that's exactly it. But what was nice is when he brought out the longanisa, I was able to literally just take it and squish it into a sandwich. And they had a panini press that was really hot. I kind of burnt my finger on it. But I literally buttered 2 sides of bread, stuck some longanisa in the middle, stuck some cheese.
Is it everything you could have wished?
That is special.
Okay, I need a bite of that. Wow.
So like I said earlier, longanisa is a pretty sweet sausage. And it's so flavorful. And it's not like the chewy, kind of like fatty pork that you get. It's just very smooth. Oh, it's a grilled cheese with sausage on it.
Booming. I went for Less Creative Ventures. He brought out a chicken sausage, which I watched him boil, and it looks like it has casing on it. So let's remove the casing. Oh wow, there's some thick casing on this.
You just eat the casing. It's not all along in these stuff.
I'm not a sausage girl, y'all, and so I'm actually usually not even a meat girl. But the Philippines, you just can't not eat the meat here.
Because it's all delicious.
Yeah.
Sorry for talking with a mouthful. Literally right as we're sitting here, you're watching planes take off. That is cool.
This is the best part of travel days.
Yeah, it
Eating
is.
lunch, food, watching planes depart. I love traveling. Anyway, here's my chicken sausage.
Not a huge fan.
It tastes like a chicken hot dog felt in pool water. And then
Ew.
it tastes like chlorine. I don't know. Taste it.
It looks like rubber.
You see what I'm saying?
It tastes like it's been soaking in like chicken broth, which
That's-
isn't a good thing in this case.
Not right now.
You
Okay, well,
can have that back.
I am grateful for food. These little things, which you guys already saw me eat one, and since the camera has been put away, I've eaten like 8. And here's another half-eaten one. Crunchy. They have tons of breads that you can get, and actually you can cut them from a proper loaf. It's really fresh. And they have strawberry mango jam. To be honest, I don't taste any mango in here. I really do think it's just strawberry jam. But it's great nonetheless.
Wow, her sunrise is beautiful. What do you do?
Be a pig. You said the sunrise is beautiful as I shoved half of the bread in my mouth in the most unsexy way that I could.
So the sun has come up. It is time to walk through this beautiful lounge and get some beer. Now I'm starting to feel a little guilty about it because it is early morning, not late night anymore. But it's okay. How are you guys?
Hi.
Good.
You want coffee, sir?
Yes, please.
Just brewed coffee.
Yes, please. All right, so I think we gotta come a little later in the day because online it said like there's stuff on tap, but I just don't think they have the taps set up until later, which makes sense. No one's really gonna be drinking at like 4 a.m., 5 a.m. except for me. All right, time to get a caffeine fix of the day. Woo, if I don't drop it. All the way up. All right, so we are gonna enjoy some coffee and then we will see you guys when we're leaving the lounge to go check in for our flight.
It's time. I'm gonna miss the Philippines. I have loved it here so much. Mario, it was so nice.
It was great meeting you.
Good luck.
Safe
Nice to
Thank
meet
you.
you.
Stay safe.
You too.
I was about to run the glass. I do that often. That's not it. It was gate 16. If you guys haven't seen our whale shark experience at Oslo, I know it's a little controversial, but we really, really enjoyed it, and we still encourage people to do it. But everybody here loves the whale sharks. I have such a new appreciation for whale sharks after the Philippines. Such cool animals, so graceful, so big. I just want to give them a hug, obviously, but I didn't touch them because respect. Sorry.
Yeah, that's us.
I've never heard our name over a loudspeaker before. I am so sorry.
It's okay.
So sorry. Have a good day.
Bye. See you later.
That's the closest we've ever called it to a flight.
Literally, we've been watching our flight and everything on the board said that it was actually running late. and it was like 10 minutes late, and so like okay, we're here early. We're here 50 minutes before, 45 minutes before the flight's supposed to leave, and they're calling us overhead saying it's final boarding call. I think something went a little wrong with the timing on the board, that's for sure.
How does this always happen to us?
I have no idea.
I'm coming.
Yes, nice meeting you. Welcome aboard. Thank you.
I am still in disbelief that they were calling our names overhead. I would have had no idea. That's the first time, and we have cut things close before. Okay, so where's our boarding pass? On our boarding pass, it says that the gate closes 20 minutes before the flight departures. It is 40 minutes before flight departure, and they were already doing final boarding call, and the whole plane is boarded already. Literally, we were the last people to get on. Y'all make it to your gate early. The people there were so sweet though, such good sports. I'm like, I'm sorry. And they're like, no, it's okay. Alrighty guys, I'm super pumped. I'm half sad because we're living in the Philippines and we've loved it here, but really excited because we're going to a brand new country. I don't know what number this is, but it's in the high 30s, early 40s. So we'll catch you guys in Taiwan. And we've made it to Taipei. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure that you click the subscribe button down below and do the little bell so that you can see more adventures around the world, which the next one is actually gonna be in a few minutes when we get lost on the public transport on our way to our hostel.
All right, and on that note, guys, we'll see you on our next adventure.
Bye.
Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, you must return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt securely.